Boy, that looks dangerous. You might be surprised to learn that accidental falls is the #1 cause of death and injuries around the home. And many of those accidents are caused by slipping on rugs just like this one.
Now, Joe, I've seen the anti-skid tape, and I've also seen the little pads that go under the rug. What about that as a solution?
Well, the tape isn't very effective because it only goes around the perimeter of the rug, and when you step in the middle, it'll still slide. And the pads, they work pretty well, except they're not actually attached to the rug, so they can separate, and again, you can still slip and fall.
Yeah, I've seen them kind of overlap a little bit from time to time.
So I've got a solution that works really well, and I took a rug yesterday, and I'll show you what I did. I took a tube of 100% silicone adhesive, and I put a thick bead all the way around the perimeter of it. Then I also put a zigzag bead of adhesive spaced no more than 3 or 4 inches apart along the entire back of the mat. And then I pushed it all down with a putty knife just to make sure it stuck really well to the backing.
I see.
Then you let that cure overnight, and it winds up being pretty sticky and rubbery.
So it just provides that little bit of friction that you need.
Right, and when you put pressure on that, the silicone almost sticks to the floor and prevents it from sliding.
Well, I know one tube of silicone costs, what, about $5? Right. You can do a lot of rugs with $5.
One tube will do about 4 or 5 rugs this size.